Hey everyone, my name is Terry and I'm one of the product managers at IPVanish, and I just had the displeasure of being texted by the Grinch. So the Grinch is now threatening me that unless I give him my personal information, there's not going to be any presents underneath the Christmas tree this year. So what the Grinch has done is he has used a shortened URL in his text message. That way I can't see the real domain. But what the Grinch isn't aware of is the Who's, our developers at IPVanish, have developed a completely free tool called Link Checker. And Link Checker can be used by anyone. It's available on the web. For our customers, it's even available within the applications. And what Link Checker does is what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it up right here. I'm going to enter the URL into the web browser. And while doing this, Link Checker is loading this page in a remote browser. It's following any redirect chains, so even things like shortened URLs can be detected if they're malicious or not. And it is then checking the full page content, including any links on the page, any JavaScript, and guess what? It looks like the Grinch really was trying to steal my information. So on the web, you can see this at ipvanish.com/link-checker. And then if you go into the IPVanish application for our customers, you're going to go to Security Tools. Then you can paste the URL in here. And just like on the web, we can see our malicious URLs. We can do it through the application as well. So once again, the Grinch trying to steal my information. Absolutely not what we want to happen this Christmas. So this is one way that you can stay safe. And what I want to do is I want to show another way that you can stay safe. So in the IPVanish application, you can go to Settings, and then you can enable threat protection. And when you enable threat protection, it's going to reconnect to your VPN. And when you do so, it's actually going to start blocking known malicious websites as well. And what's really cool is when you use Link Checker and it detects a malicious URL, that information is then piped into threat protection. So any harmful links detected through Link Checker then gets put into threat protection, and you're automatically blocked in the future from any known malicious content on there as well. So these are two ways you can stay safe this holiday season. Make sure those Christmas presents are underneath the tree, and one way to defeat the Grinch.